Welcome to Health Chronicle, a dedicated space where wellness, nutrition, and self-care take center stage. Hey there, gym goers, how many squats can you do? They're everywhere in fitness routines for a reason. While some fitness enthusiasts crank out hundreds with heavy weights, don't feel pressured to match their pace. Squats are a powerhouse exercise offering benefits far beyond just building leg strength. Whether you're chasing stronger joints, a toned physique, or better overall health, squats deliver. Let's dive into why this move deserves a prime spot in your workouts. Build stronger joints. Squats are a dynamic way to fortify your joints. By lowering and raising your hips, you engage the hip, knee, and ankle joints in unison, promoting stability and mobility. Contrary to old myths, research confirms that squats, when done correctly, protect joint health rather than harm it. Focus on maintaining proper form. Keep your knees aligned over toes, chest lifted, and core tight to maximize benefits and minimize risk. Engage multiple muscle groups. Think squats only target your legs? Think again. This compound movement fires up your quads, hamstrings, glutes, calves, core, and even your lower back. As you bend, your quads power the motion while your core stabilizes your torso. Rising back up? That's your glutes and hamstrings shining. For maximum muscle engagement, prioritize depth and control over speed. Your body will thank you. Burn calories and support weight loss. Squats might not be your first thought for fat loss, but their metabolic punch is real. The harder you work, the more calories you torch. At high intensity, squatting hits a metabolic equivalent of task or MET score of 8 times the energy burned while sitting. A 155-pound person can scorch over 200 calories in 25 minutes of vigorous squats. Even at lower intensities, they're a smart add to any weight loss plan. Boost athletic power and speed. Athletes, take note, squats are your secret weapon. Studies show that consistent squat training enhances explosive strength, speed, and vertical jumps. In one trial, young athletes improved their sprint times and leap height after just 8 weeks of jump squats. Whether you're chasing a personal best or dominating pickup games, squats build the foundation for peak performance. Strengthen your heart. Don't underestimate squats' cardio perks. Their intensity gets your heart pumping, which can lower resting heart rate, blood pressure, and LDL cholesterol over time. This trifecta reduces risks of heart disease and stroke. Even bodyweight squats done in quick succession double as a heart-healthy circuit. Forge a rock-solid core. Forget endless crunches, squats are a stealth core workout. Research reveals that weighted back squats activate core muscles more effectively than planks. A strong core isn't just for aesthetics. It improves posture, balance, and everyday movements like lifting groceries or playing with kids. Prevent injuries. Ironically, this intense move can shield you from harm. By strengthening tendons, ligaments, and muscles, squats build resilience in injury-prone areas like knees and hips. Just remember, form is non-negotiable. Poor technique, like knees caving inward, can backfire, so master the basics before adding weight. Enhance flexibility. Squats demand a full range of motion, which stretches hip flexors, hamstrings, and calves. Over time, this can combat stiffness, especially as we age. But beware. A 2017 study noted that heavy squats reduced hamstring flexibility in bodybuilders. Counteract this by pairing squats with dynamic stretches and yoga to stay limber. No equipment? No problem. The beauty of squats? They're endlessly adaptable. No weights? Go body weight. Short on space? A few square feet will do. Beginners can start with 20 daily squats, progressing to 50 or adding resistance bands. For variety, try sumo squats, pistol squats, or jump squats to keep workouts fresh. Ready to transform your routine? Squats are more than a leg day staple. They're a full-body game changer. Whether you're aiming to shed pounds, boost athleticism, or simply move with ease, this exercise delivers. Start slow, nail your form, and gradually up the ante. Your future self will high-five you for it. Already a squat enthusiast? Share your favorite variations or tips in the comments.